right. Okay. Love you too. Okay, I know I'm taking your seat. Okay, all right. Hey guys, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 27. I am showered with love. We just gotta walk. Yes. So what am I doing today? Today we are day 27. We are still in zone 5 in the living room, and I actually just finished the baseboard and the windows, and I know you saw that. I am going to do my woodwork, and that's all I'm doing in this video, so it's going to be another short one. I don't have much. If you want to get your ball, go get your ball. Go get your ball. Go get the ball. Go get your ball. I'm not picking up your ball. You go get your own ball. All right, go get the ball. Ugh, okay. So it's going to be another short video. I'm going to, come on, get it. Go get it. Go on the other side. Go on the other side. I don't speak dog. Go on the other side. Okay. So today I'm only doing the woodwork, which is not going to take too long because I don't have much time. I have to do 2 videos tonight, and as I mentioned in yesterday's video, tomorrow night I come back too late. I have to rush and make dinner or whatnot, and I want to have time to film and edit. So after that would be the last video, in which point we will go, into the basement to finish the basement. Okay, so I will see you in a second. Let me gather my tools. All I need is my lemon oil. That's it. Come in. Go on the other side. Go over here. Your ball's right here. Come in. No, not on the chair. The ball's right here. Go get your ball. Here you go. All right. Go have fun. So during the home blessing hour, I dust everything. So when it comes to woodwork now, I don't have to dust because I did it already. So I just have lemon oil. And I'm just going over all my wood, and that's really all I'm doing. It leaves a nice shine, it nourishes it, it hydrates the wood, it smells wonderful, it does penetrate over time. I don't find that it makes the dog hair or dust or whatever stick to it. It just preserves your wood, so I strongly recommend it. I keep on talking about this one. This is the Wayman lemon oil. I'm sure you can find lemon oil from other brands. All I want to do is just my woodwork. I remember from yesterday's video, I already did all of the glass panels, so that doesn't need to be done. Give that a nice shine, because when I'm sitting on the sofa and I'm looking at my furniture, I just love seeing the wood shine under the light. And I'm telling you, it takes less than 15 minutes to do that. Seriously. Now my sister, she has a totally different way of cleaning. She doesn't follow any FlyLady. She does it per days of the week. Tuesday is dusting. Wednesday is shine the wood. On Thursday, she does a thorough vacuum of her house, but then again, she has an apartment, right? So it's much easier for her. She does laundry on Saturday. Monday is food shopping. Sunday, she does nothing. But, you know, that's enough for her because she has a small place. She doesn't have any pets. She doesn't have anybody living with her. She's by herself. So she really has this system that she's had for years. And it works. The house is never dusty because she dusts every single week on Tuesday. That's what she does. She dusts the entire apartment, every shelf, every knick-knack, everything. And I'll say it again, you don't have to follow the FlyLady, you know, you can do any other program. It works for me because of the zones, and pretty much it just match the size of my house. But if you have something smaller, you don't have to do it, you can do something else. If you have something bigger, it matches too, because there's some folks, what they do is that they, instead of having 5 zones, they have 7 zones, and they rotate over 7 weeks, right? So you can really adapt. That's what I love about the FlyLady, is that it's super flexible. You don't have to stick to it 100%. As long as you do something every day for 15 minutes, like I'm showing you right now, you always feel like you've accomplished something and your house is clean. You've got to declutter first, all right? So if you are new to the FlyLady and this is your first time watching those videos, there is a process to it that's called baby steps. But the first month or 2 months prior to you starting the FlyLady zone cleaning, you actually have to declutter your house, because otherwise all you're going to do is move your stuff from one side of the room to the other when you clean. You see how easy it is for me to clean the living room now? Because I've decluttered so much. If you are new to my channel, you probably don't realize, but there used to be 2 sofas in here, plus 2 chairs, plus a console table, a wall of bookcases. What else did I have? A whole bunch of nonsense, right? A round table. There was about 3 lamps. I mean, it was just crazy stuff to manage. If you declutter and you really only keep the stuff you love and want in your house, by the time you get going with the FlyLady zone cleaning, super easy to follow. Some of you are probably wondering, why am I not doing the top here, right? Because I don't have to. I did that as part of zone 1. At the beginning of the month, when I do the back entrance, the front entrance, and the dining room, I do all of the top of the frames. And it was the same thing with the one I just did that separate the living room to the dining room. Don't have to do it. It's been done already less than 4 weeks ago. So you see, it works. It helps. You don't have to do a lot. I'm almost done. I am done. 15 minutes. Everything has been buffed and shined. Terry, did you notice I still have your ducks? Why would I not have them still? I love them. They move from place to place, but they are still here. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day in the FlyLady zone cleaning for the month of February and for 2019. And I will do a quick pickup and cleaning in the basement, and that would be it for the entire month, and the whole house is clean. And I'm ready on Friday to start with zone 1 again. And again, zone 1 is front door, back door, dining room, you know, the entrances and the dining room. So every month you do a rotation. I didn't do the fan because I did it last month. I said I was going to do it, but it really doesn't need to be done. However, next month, for the month of March, when I'm back in zone 1, I will do all the things I didn't get a chance to do for this month. So I know I didn't do the fan in the dining room, so I'll do that. I know I didn't do the baseboard, so I'll do that. I have a few stains on walls that I didn't take care of, so I'm going to do that. And in the front entrance, it's pretty much the same thing. It's mostly decluttering because we got a lot of shoes and things. But for instance, in the living room for next month, what I'm going to do is probably shampoo the 2 chairs and the sofa, change the cushions, the decorative pillows, or have them washed, and I'll take down the veils, the sheer panels, and have, I'll wash them as well. I'll do all the picture frames. And what else did I not do this month in this living room? That's about it. Because I've decluttered already. Oh, I have a bunch of frames on the other side that need to be cleaned, and then I'll do the fan. And then the month after that, in April, I'll return to what I just did for this month. You see how it works? So your house is always clean, you guys, always clean. Give the FlyLady a try. Really, give it a try. I think I gave it a good demo on how it works. I'm not sweating it. I'm ready to take Willie to karate, and then I'm going to start dinner and edit this video, and probably Wednesday's video as well, and then I will be done and go to bed and read a book and be happy. And tomorrow morning when I walk through my living room, it will be super clean, shiny, smelling good, because I did the rug, remember? It's a joy and it's a no-brainer. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.